Hi, good evening, everybody. We as a company, it's called Gourmet Baklava. We started this journey around 7 years ago with our first store in Banjar Hills. Right from the word go, we have bought in shares from Turkey and Jordan. And we've set up a nice, fantastic manufacturing unit in Sanat Nagar with all equipment from Jordan and Turkey. When we started 7 years ago, nobody knew about baklava. We were the first company to launch baklava in India and the most authentic company to do that. And having said that, most of our ingredients and most of the preparation processes are totally followed on an international standard. And now we have around 7 stores in India, and then we plan to expand more. Baklava as a sweet is basically considered a very healthy sweet because it is made of dry fruits, nuts, and honey, and then we have cow ghee that we use in that. And keeping the health aspect was a very important part right for Gourmet Baklava from the day one. So we applied for a certification called FSSC 22000, which is a food safety standard certification. The certification was done by a company called TUI Rheinland, which is a German-based company. It was done in 2 stages, and we feel proud that we have, and we are the only company in India in baklava manufacturing to have this certificate, and we are the 9th company in the world to have this certificate. Everything about the process is how healthy we make, how food safety standards are maintained, how much of hygiene is maintained, the quality of ingredients used, the quality of the people who work there, the health issues is regularly monitored. Medical inspection is done for all the staff. All that is considered into the factor before getting the certificate. And now we have always tried to make very healthy and good quality product. Now we are more cautious about maintaining the quality even more than what we used to do before, so that we have happy customers and healthy customers always. Thank you so much.